In the world of customer relationship management or CRM, two giants stand out: HubSpot and Salesforce. Today, we will compare these platforms to help you make the right choice for your business. Welcome to our CRM Showdown. Let's kick things off with a brief overview of HubSpot and Salesforce. HubSpot, known for its inbound marketing expertise, offers an all-in-one solution with features like lead generation, marketing automation, and customer service. On the other side, Salesforce, a pioneer in CRM, is highly customizable and boasts a wide array of tools from sales and marketing to analytics and app development. First, let's talk about HubSpot's user-friendly interface. It's praised for its intuitive design, making it accessible for users of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, HubSpot welcomes you with open arms. Next up, transparent pricing. HubSpot's pricing mode is straightforward, making it an attractive choice for small to medium-sized businesses. No hidden fees, no surprises, just a clear path to help your business grow without breaking the bank. Integration is key in today's digital landscape, and HubSpot understands that. It seamlessly integrates with various third-party apps, providing a unified experience for users. Connect your favorite tools effortlessly and watch your workflow become a symphony of productivity. Now let's talk about automation. HubSpot's automation features are not only powerful but also users-friendly. Setting up and managing automation process is a breeze, giving you more time to focus on what matters most: growing your business. While HubSpot shines in many areas, it's important to note its limitations. The simplicity that makes it user-friendly can also mean limited customization options. If your business demands intricate, tailor-made solutions, this might be a consideration. Scalability is another aspect to keep in mind, especially for larger enterprises with intricate needs. While HubSpot is a fantastic choice for many, it may have limitations in terms of scalability when compared to a powerhouse like Salesforce. On the other hand, Salesforce stands out by allowing businesses to tailor their CRM to their specific needs. It's like having a personalized suite of tools designed just for you. Next on the list is the App Exchange Marketplace. Salesforce opens the door to a vast array of integrations, providing users with a plethora of tools and features. It's like having a digital toolbox with everything you need at your fingertips. Now let's talk about intelligence. Salesforce's Einstein platform brings artificial intelligence to the forefront. From predictive analytics to personalized customer experiences, it's like having a digital assistant that anticipates your every need. Scalability is a cornerstone of Salesforce's design. It's not just a CRM, it's a growth partner. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, Salesforce is designed to scale with businesses, making it suitable for those with growing and evolving requirements. However, no platform is without its challenges. Salesforce's extensive customization options come with a trade-off: a steeper learning curve. Users may need more time and training to become proficient, so keep that in mind as you navigate the CRM landscape. Pricing is another factor to consider. While Salesforce offers scalability, its modular pricing approach may lead to higher costs, especially for businesses looking to leverage advanced features. It's important to carefully assess your needs and budget. Lastly, let's talk about configuration. Integrations in Salesforce may require additional configuration, adding a layer of complexity to the implementation process. While powerful, it's essential to plan accordingly for a seamless experience. In the end, the choice between HubSpot and Salesforce depends on your business needs, budget, and preferences. Both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses. HubSpot is known for its simplicity and transparency, while Salesforce shines in customization and advanced features. It's about finding the right balance for your unique requirements. There you have it, guys. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.